Model, 65-plate Renault Trafic Sport SL29 Energy dCi 120. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 105,595. Engine, 1,598 cc R9M ENERGY 120 E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. It just has no power. It has been diagnosed as a small turbo needs replacing. It is not spinning and creating no boost. It still starts and drives great but very slow, but the engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, cruise control, 2 keys, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,625 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on